Hey everybody, my name is Talman, and in this video I will show you how you can simply bunny hop in Valorant, and I will show you a simple way how to do it because this is similar to CSGO. And let me show you. So the first thing you want to do is go to settings, click controls, and you're gonna see here jump, mouse wheel down. This is what you need. So you need to then go to equipment and like cycle the previous weapon, you need to delete, and movement, you want to go jump, mouse wheel down. That's like the scroll on your mouse. And now what you want to do is like where is there if you're using. So first you want to like run and then just jump with your mouse wheel to the back. So again, you go and you jump, right? So you do this. And now to the jump, you want to add, like, so you're running, look on the left down corner, plus run, plus jump. This is the first step, so jump. And now you want to go web plus run plus jump plus A or D letters, right? So you go jump, and I'm not using the V anymore, W. All I'm doing is that I'm pressing A and D. And this is how you do it. So again, mouse wheel and just pressing A, A, D. So you run with the V, with the W, and then just press A and D. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.